Hello everybody, I am Dr. Balasubramanian Tyagarajan. Now today I am going to demonstrate to you the use of one important plugin which will help you to easily create a number of classes inside your Google Classroom. You can bulk invite students into a classroom, and if you are an administrator of the domain, you can also directly add a large number of students directly into your class. You can archive the class, you can easily delete a class. So that can be done using this small plugin or add-on. So now this plugin is known as Classright, Classright. Now let us go ahead and see how to install this Classright plugin. First thing is you need to go to a G Drive account, click on New, go to Google Sheet. So we are creating a new sheet. Now inside the sheet you go to this add-on. Just I will enlarge and show you. So this is actually the add-on menu. I'm going to click and then I'm going to click Get Add-ons. So now this is actually the marketplace, G Suite marketplace. So I'm going to here all the paid as well as free add-ons will be listed. So I will do a search for Classright. This is an excellent add-on which is available free of cost for anybody to use. So here you click on the Classright icon and then you give a install, say continue. Here it wants you to choose an account. You choose your account. So it will need to verify whether this action is performed by an authenticated user. You need to get a verifier code which helps to verify. It will send the code to your mobile. As soon as you get the code to your mobile, so I've got it 27157. You need to key in the code. So it asks for permission to allow to manipulate or to see or make use of all these resources inside the Google Classroom. We will give allow. Then it is ready to install. So it has installed. You continue. Allow the script to run. I'm sorry, it has already installed. Done. So now first step is over. We have installed the add-on called Classright. The moment you click on add-ons, the Classright gets listed here. Now Classright has been installed. So here let us refresh and see what happens. After installation of Classright, I'm going to add an Classright can be listed here. We'll go to the setup wizard and then we will give out a create sheet command. So this sheet will be created, and this is the sheet which we are going to use to add courses, add students to the courses, archive the courses, delete the courses. So now let us go to create courses. I'm going to a course hematology. Okay. Imagine I'm going to give out my email ID. As the owner of the classroom. Supposing you are a G Suite administrator, if you can give out the owner email of the teacher who has been approved in your domain as teacher. Now we have given out the name of the course which needs to be created and the owner of the classroom that needs to be created. So all the other fields are not mandatory. So we go to Classright, go to course manager, create the course. So now it is working, and if it has created, it will give the status, it will give the code, it will give the course ID. All these things can be clearly seen now. It takes some time. This is how we create. So now it has successfully created the classroom. The owner is me, and then the classroom is supposed to be active. The course ID, enrollment code, everything is very clearly displayed here. Enrollment code is nothing but the class code. Now let us see for real whether it has managed to create those classes. I will go to the classroom and see whether these courses have been created. Yeah, see, laryngology, rhinology, otology, these three courses have been created by using the Classright. Now you can archive these courses if you want. You just give out the course ID and you can archive. So let us see, give out the list of the courses. Let me go to the Classright course manager. I will just ask you to list the courses. So it will give out a list of the courses. Say for example, course ID, I will copy this course ID. Supposing I want to archive laryngology alone. So I will go to archive this course and then give out that course ID. Then go to add-ons, Classright, course manager. I can give out archive. So what happens? It will archive those courses. Let me see whether it has archived or not. Let me refresh. So now it is only showing 2. The laryngology is not seen. Let me go to archive classes. You see, it has effectively managed to archive my class. So now, we have archived the classes. So now, after archiving, you can also delete the course if you want. Just go to click the delete course button, give out the number, course ID, then go to add-on, go to Classright, course manager. First you need to archive courses before you can delete. So now you click delete, the course can easily be deleted. Supposing you can restore the archived courses also. If you feel like, if you restore the archived courses, it will be listed in the course will be listed inside the classroom. Now it has been deleted successfully. That is the status it gives. So now if I ask to list the course, it just laryngology. I mean, this should be refreshed. So the course ID, this has been archived successfully. Now let me go and add students. Let me get a course ID for rhinology. Then I want to add a student as with the email. Let me make it true. Now that should be given by add students. It says I cannot add it because I don't belong to that domain. So let me try out another name. Let me add myself. So it says it is added because it is the user already exists. It says the user already exists, and then you can send out invite. Supposing I want to invite a student to the same course. Myself. Student. Let me see. Go to add-on, Classright, course manager. I'm sorry, student manager, invite student. So it should send an invitation to this email ID. So invitation has been sent successfully. Now I can go to my email ID and see I've got the invitation to join the Google Classroom. So effectively speaking, this Classright add-on really reduces the headache of creating multiple classes. You can send bulk invite to the students so that they will join the courses easily. So bulk invite can be sent, but to directly add students, you need an admin right. For that, you need to go to my G Suite login. I need to give my super admin rights. Then only I'll be able to directly add students to my classes. So what I have done is I have managed to send an invitation. Let me send another. Use the small thing and send out another invitation to another email. And I'll put the role as student. You can keep filling. And then I can go to add-on, Classright, course student manager, and then invite students. So this again, if it succeeds, it will give out invitation sent successfully. Because why this error is coming? Because it resends the invite. It attempts to resend the invite to this same student which has already been sent. So the requested entity already we have sent. That's what it tells. The next is it has already sent successfully. So by this way you can give out the entire key in the entire list. As per the course, you can give out the email of the students and you can invite them to join the courses. Thank you for your patient listening.